Markets pop on strong headline job numbers, but a deeper dive has us questioning the euphoria. After Friday's rally, the S&P ends another week green, up 1.5%. So let's recap. We opened the week on Monday higher as investors shrugged off more tariff news. The steel and aluminum tariffs were bumped up to 50% globally, while China responded to the White House trade accusations from the prior week. Tuesday continued to climb on strong April job openings as the kickoff to the jobs report week. Next Wednesday, the rally continued despite very poor private employment data. ADP's May private jobs slumped to 37,000, a decline from April and well below expectations for 110,000. Then Thursday continued to rally through midday as US and China leaders chat to unstick trade negotiations. However, the rally faded by the end of the day as markets grew anxious for the week's main event, the jobs report on Friday. So Friday, the jobs report didn't disappoint. In May, non-farm payrolls added 139,000 jobs, a decline from April but topping expectations. Meanwhile, unemployment remained flat at 4.2%. If you remember in our Thursday video, we said markets were looking for the perfect reading. Softer than April, but not too soft that it couldn't quickly be stabilized. Well, investors got what they were looking for and markets surged on Friday. So what now? Well, the S&P 500 is now back to 6,000 for the first time since February. Are we in the clear now? Mm, Markets may think so, but we're still seeing apprehension in other markets, particularly interest rates, which have continued to rise on Friday despite the strong jobs report. While the job headline numbers were great, we believe it needs an asterisk next to it. The jobs report also revised both March and April's numbers lower. May saw 139,000 new payrolls added, but the net payrolls added was actually closer to only 44,000, significantly weaker. This is also the second big jobs revision in as many months. After two big downward revisions in a row, we're starting to question the accuracy of the initial estimates and wouldn't be surprised if May gets revised lower next month. TLDR, we're coming out of this month's jobs week with still questions, but we'll have to wait another month for another look. Coming up next week is inflation week with consumer data on Wednesday followed by the producer data on Thursday. Inflation has moderated the past couple of months, but we're still expecting tariff impact as we get closer to the summer. In the meantime, have a great weekend.